I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian.
And we're
Living in Diz.
That's right. We are so excited. We are so pumped to be back in the park. We were here last week. As you know, we weren't able to post any vlogs in the park. My heart
Due
was
to the
broken
audio
and crushed.
being lost.
It was. It was lost footage, and it will not be found. It'll not be found. We're so excited to bring this to you today. So we're going to do this, and little park fun.
Okay.
So follow along. Let's have some fun. Let's go.
Yeah.
A healthy 75-minute wait for Peter Pan. That's low for Peter Pan at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Stay up on my back.
This is how you pass the time in line, with a little bit of heads up. Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer. Oh, the ride we're in line for. That's crazy. Small World came up. Look at that. You can't fake that. You can't plan that, bro.
No.
You can't plan that.
No. So as you see, I'm playing Heads Up. You can also get the Disney version free if you're at a Disney park.
It's a little loud here. If you didn't hear him, you can get the Heads Up Disney download for free as long as you are here in Magic Kingdom or throughout Disney parks. So check it out. It's a lot of fun. Passes the time. This is what happens to your tongue when you're trying to kill time in line for Small World. You eat candies that change your tongue to crazy colors. Look at this. Woo! Looking good. Hey, did you know that all money tossed into here at Small World is donated to charities? I'm not sure, but it may be United Way. It used to be. But either way, they do clean it out, and it goes to charity. How much money do you think's in there? Thousands. She has got to be pretty dizzy. Pretty dizzy. She do well on the teacups, though. After a 35-minute wait or so, we're starting our Small World ride. We have made it through all the segregated areas, and now we are all united in the totally pastel white colors. We're unified as one. So just to clarify a little bit about what you may see in a few videos recently is some scratches on this beautiful base. Yes. She has some disturbing nightmares, and it's resulting in some scratches. So we're currently dealing with that in a big way, and we're going to try to assure that it doesn't happen again. But we know that people that either know us by now by watching a lot or just coming on for the first time, that no worries, we're working on it, and we just don't want people to wonder.
Don't worry, don't wonder, I'm okay.
Now, time for a Haunted Mansion tip. This might be the greatest tip we can give you. If you want a chance to enter the main area, waiting area, once you're inside, the best chance is when you get inside and the doors slide open, scan for the back 3/4 panels for a red light.
Could be anywhere.
Yeah, those are the automatic doors. So it's either going to be, it wouldn't be the panel straight ahead, but it will be the one to your left or your right. When you see that red light, stand near that wall and it will open for you and you'll be one of the first people on. Right? If you've tried that, know it, or are glad you know it now, comment below.
Such a pretty horse.
Nice horse. Nice horse. She can see him. That's what I call threatening skies back there.
Yeah, definitely.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Threatening skies?
Mm-hmm.
Threatening skies. 50% chance of rain coming up. But we're going to go eat at Cosmic Rays.
I believe that for the Haunted Mansion, the lowest wait time is not 5. I believe it is 13. I must take 3.
I think Disney should hold a contest where you can eat in this dining area. I would love to. Just once. Just
Robots
once.
serving you food and drinks.
Exactly, right? I love all the lanterns at night with the Mad Tea Party. So bright and pretty to see. And here come the girls, going as fast as they can. Look at that. We'll look at the lighting until they come around again. But there they go. They're in the back. But the lanterns are so pretty. All unique. I don't think there's one that's the same. Oh, I found 2 that are the same. Right there and right there. Here's the girls. Jillian tries to go as fast as she can. And I will never ride with her again. As you may have seen in the last Magic Kingdom video. That is such an annoying sound. Boom, boom, boom. So, here we are.
On Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
And it's like, I'm telling you guys, if you can time your ride for when, just before the fireworks are about to start.
Absolutely amazing.
It is. It's amazing because it's like riding in a Disney commercial. As you're going around the twists and turns and ups and downs, you've got fireworks blasting in your face in the sky. It's so awesome. So remember, get in line about 20 minutes before the show starts for Happily Ever After, and you will be pleasantly surprised. Look at that. Look, Loungefly actually did a Pirates of the Caribbean
I believe
bag.
I did show that in a previous video.
I don't think so. I don't think I've ever seen this before.
I've definitely seen it before in World of Disney a few weeks ago.
Really?
Yeah.
We'd have to refer back to our own video, but I don't remember it.
I don't remember it either.
No. So we just got off Mine Train and we ran into a cast member that we know now, that we've seen a few times. Seems like whenever we go to Soarin' lately, she's there at the Merge area. Her name is Maddie. Met her mom and her sister. Awesome people. And she gave me a hot tip, and I'm passing that hot tip on to you in case you don't know it. Whenever you go and you get to they call it the Merge, it's where they split you up into A, B, or C. What you want to do is ask for B1. Ask for B as in B, 1, and that is the absolute best seating that you can get in Soarin'. You won't regret it. We finally did it the other day, and it was awesome. I mean, it's a big difference from any of the other auditoriums and any of the other seating. B1, you got to do it. We are now leaving Magic Kingdom. Look how quiet it is. That's crazy. Look at this. Have to show you this as our Park Fun outro.
This is what
is
the
about to
castle
happen.
there should be like.
I want to
Yes.
take a picture when no one's there.
This is living in Diz, just roaming like it's extra magic hours. No.
After hours.
After hours. This is Disney After Hours at Magic Kingdom. Check this out.
If that's what it was.
It's amazing. I mean, we just left the gift shop and there's like almost no one down there. Look at this. Just for you. An exclusive. Gotta love it. Jillian's going down for a a photo. If you get dizzy easily, or you hate the teacups because they go so fast and spin, 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 I'm gonna get you sick and tired on Main Street. Oh no! Oh, I'm so dizzy. I know it's not the first time anybody's seen this before, but I'm just amazed. Look, it's just so dead right now.
Like there's no one here. You literally see no one.
There's no one here. There's no one here on Main Street right now. Just a few stragglers coming out. I think we're gonna shut the lights off tonight, and we're gonna say goodbye to the final park guests, I think. Jillian's gonna take a photo. She's like doing this series everywhere she goes around Disney World of sitting and lifting up her arms. There's some kind of thing. Maybe she's gonna put out a calendar or something. I don't know. But look for it in December. That's gonna do it for some park fun.
I have a snake wrapped around my body.
Oh,
And it's all the way down to here.
oh, that's scary. One of the fine items you can find right here at the exit at the gift shop of Pirates. So we made it to Pirates. We did not make it to Jungle Cruise. We ran out of time. But that happens, but we still got a lot in. So for now, I'm Corey with a snake. Yikes! And this is Jillian.
I'm Jillian.
And there's the rest of the crew. For now, we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us on Park Fun.